This month's trap and calf work, we've just got the band shrug. If you've got dumbbells, great, use them. If not, just standing on the band, create as much tension as you need to get the full minute of reps. So simple one is straight up and down. So if you are going heavier, or you're just going up a band, or you're making it harder than it has been before, then you want to go back to a simple version. If you've got that down, then you can go into the protraction, elevation, retraction, back the other way. It's quite cool too. Really getting that nice upper trap. Control and stability. And remember, you do need to condition these pretty heavy, like a minute's a decent amount of time under tension. But for all your handstand work, it's your whole body weight. So you want these tissues to be really healthy and strong. Because you've got that longer time under tension, it doesn't need to be, you're not going to make it too heavy because you're going to do that endurance type conditioning for it. But still, a decent amount of load through there is going to serve you, but just go with how you feel and work with it, strengthen it, and really try and get that nice control and awareness through those traps. And we've got skipping for the calves. So again, if you're still not up for that, or your calves are a bit brittle or whatever and tight, you can just do the calf raises, and then just working on one jump at a time, then consistent jumps, really trying to get some height. You can do the single leg ones, quite hard there, or doing it 30-second one leg, 30 seconds the other leg. So you need to get that nice conditioning through the toes, ankles, the knees, the hips, so you've got good suspension for the rest of your life. So getting 3 sets of those, 6 minutes, enjoy.